single touch has the power to ignite sparks of desire in a woman, exciting her and fostering a deeper physical and emotional connection with you. By touching a woman, you not only show your intention of wanting her, but also make her respond to that. Know this, if you do it the right way, she will know everything that is going on in your mind and will lean in. Before touching a girl, make sure she's comfortable with it. If she enjoys your company, she'll welcome your touches, even in sensitive areas. But if she doesn't, don't touch her without her permission. Respecting her boundaries is crucial, otherwise, you might push her away. But you also must not stay far from her, or she will feel that you don't desire her. You must maintain a balance to make her fall in love with you. I'll cover 8 ways. Learn them and use them next time you're with your woman. Not only will you make her fall in love with you, but you'll also ignite her sexual desire, craving your body. Number 8. Put your arm around her waist. This is the extreme level of touch connection that will make her fall in love with you. When you put your arm around her waist, you give her a gesture of closeness and intimacy. You can do that when she is closely standing with you, and when you bring her even closer. By putting your arm around her waist, you create a sense of comfort, protection, and emotional intimacy. Listen, what I have said above will work only if you deploy them properly. Know this, your touch has the power of great influence, but you must use it wisely to make any woman fall in love with you. Number 7. Kiss her on the cheek. A woman enjoys nothing more than a touch of your lips. And when you kiss her on the cheek, you transmit 1,000 emotions into her body. Whether it's a spontaneous kiss or an expression of gratitude for something she's done, kissing her cheek breaks down barriers and fosters a sense of intimacy. With a single kiss on the cheek, you transition your relationship with her from friendship to a more intimate connection. Number 6. Play with her hair. At the right moment, touching her hair can speak volumes without saying a word. However, it's crucial to gauge her comfort level before doing so. Once you're sure she's enjoying your company, gently run your fingers from the back of her ear or tousle her hair. This simple gesture can increase her attraction to you, both emotionally and physically. Number 5. Hold her hand. I will not suggest this if you don't have some understanding with her. But if you do, holding her hand instantly makes her connect with you. If you have dated someone before, you will understand my words. Imagine you're walking together at night, having a friendly chat, but when you hold her hand, she feels a spark. You'll notice her smiling more, and maybe even quieting down a bit, growing emotionally attached to you. If you're in a relationship and she's giving you the green light, don't hesitate to hold her hand. She may not ask for it, but she wants you to make that move. It's your thing to do. Number 4. Touch her lower back. This is where things get emotionally deeper. Only touch her lower back when she's comfortable and in a sweet spot. You can do this while guiding her on the street or showing her a beautiful view. When you touch her lower back gently, she'll sense your intentions and likely enjoy the touch. Pay attention. If she leans in closer when you touch her lower back, she's comfortable with it. But if she keeps her distance, she might still be uncomfortable with your touch. Number 3. Give her a warm hug. There's a powerful allure to hugging someone, whether they're a friend or a dating partner. It stirs up a myriad of emotions, but it's crucial to have a close relationship with her before initiating a hug. You can offer a casual hug or one filled with love and care. She'll not only appreciate it, but may also fall in love with you. Remember, if your intentions are sincere, a single hug can draw her to you on both physical and emotional levels. Number 2. Touch her hand gently. The touch game begins with a gentle touch on her hand, using your fingers or the back of your hand. Ever noticed how, when you're walking together and your hand brushes against hers accidentally, she smiles? That's because she felt something. Your touch triggers her body to release oxytocin, a bonding hormone, making her feel connected to you. She enjoys the pleasure of your touch, making it irresistible for her not to fall for you. Number 1. Touch her face. Touching her face is another tactic to deepen the emotional bond between you. Running your fingers below her ear or gently tracing her cheek can stir up her emotions and ignite a desire for physical closeness. Save this gesture for moments when the setting is romantic and she's fully immersed in the moment. It's an opportunity to demonstrate the power of your touch, and she won't be able to resist it. If you've reached this point, comment 100% to confirm you've got the knowledge from this video. Hit that like button, also subscribe and be a part of it.